Let's all read this research paper together. The title of this paper is Remote Ischemic Conditioning Helps Stroke Patients Reduce Brain Damage, Improve Function, and even Enhance Daily Living Abilities. Hello, everyone. Today I want to share with you a very interesting and important medical study. Did you know that stroke is one of the leading causes of disability and death? However, scientists have discovered that a seemingly simple arm compression training, called remote ischemic conditioning, RIC, may help stroke patients reduce brain damage, improve their functions, and even boost their ability to take care of themselves. What is acute cerebral infarction? Acute cerebral infarction is what we commonly refer to as ischemic stroke. It occurs when a blood vessel in the brain suddenly becomes blocked, causing brain cells to be deprived of oxygen and die, which leads to impairments in speech, movement, memory, and other functions. This condition develops rapidly and is highly dangerous, often resulting in long-term disability or even death. Therefore, finding ways to protect brain cells is extremely important. What is remote ischemic conditioning, RIC? The RIC procedure involves placing a blood pressure cuff on the arm and inflating it to 200 millimeters of mercury to temporarily cut off blood flow for 2 minutes, then deflating it for 2 minutes. This counts as one cycle, and 5 cycles are performed each session. The training is done twice daily, morning and evening, for 12 consecutive days. This brief ischemia followed by reperfusion stimulus triggers the body's protective responses, increasing the brain's tolerance to ischemia. In simple terms, it means letting the arm endure a little stress first to make the brain more resistant. How was the study conducted? The study involved 158 patients with acute cerebral infarction, divided into 2 groups. Control group received standard medication only. RIC group received standard medication plus the arm compression training. Additionally, 64 healthy individuals were included for comparison. The study measured miR 582-5P in the blood, a protective molecule, HMGB1, a pro-inflammatory molecule, inflammatory markers, TNF-alpha, IL-1 IL-10, antioxidant markers, GSHPX, CAT, SOD, neurological function, NIHSS score, ability to perform daily activities, Barthel Index. Research findings. Molecular changes. In the RIC group, levels of miR 582-5P increased. This molecule protects nerves and reduces cell death. HMGB1 decreased. This molecule triggers inflammation. Higher levels indicate more severe brain injury. Inflammatory response. In the RIC group, TNF-alpha and IL-1 beta, harmful inflammatory factors, decreased. IL-10, a beneficial anti-inflammatory factor, increased. This suggests that RIC helps the body reduce harmful inflammation and enhance beneficial repair. Antioxidant capacity. Antioxidant enzymes, GSHPX, CAT, SOD, increased in the RIC group. These enzymes eliminate free radicals, reducing brain cell damage. Clinical outcomes. NICE scores decreased in the RIC group, indicating improved neurological function. Barthel Index scores increased, reflecting better self-care ability. Patients were more capable of eating, walking, and managing daily life independently. Safety. Some participants experienced arm pain or numbness, and a few had minor bruising, but these symptoms resolved quickly. No serious side effects were observed, and overall tolerance was good. Significance of the study. RIC does not require expensive equipment or invasive surgery. It helps reduce brain cell damage by increasing protective molecules, decreasing inflammatory molecules, and enhancing antioxidant capacity. For stroke patients, it may serve as a simple, safe, and effective adjunct therapy. Of course, larger clinical trials are needed to confirm these findings, but the prospects are very promising. Brief summary. Acute ischemic stroke is dangerous and requires new methods to protect brain cells. Remote ischemic conditioning, RIC, involves using a blood pressure cuff to briefly restrict and then restore blood flow to the arm. Effects: reduces inflammation, boosts antioxidant defenses, and improves neurological function and daily living abilities. Safety: only mild discomfort with no serious side effects. This suggests that in the future, stroke patients might aid their recovery and reduce complications simply by performing daily, easy arm compression exercises. Therefore, this study indicates simple arm compression training could become a new hope for stroke rehabilitation. Further research is still needed. Does everyone understand this paper? Does everyone like it? Do you believe in the effectiveness of RIC? Would you like to try RIC and take care of your health? Hurry and scan the QR code to order an RIC sphygmomanometer. Remember to scan the QR code to place your order. Thank you all for watching. I am Dr. Andrew Shu Lee. See you next time.